be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would've.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. Alright? It's kinda halfway open, but we're gonna get into it anyway. Alright? Now, first, before I even get into that, if you like this shirt, I got this shirt from Goliath's Gear. Alright? Goliath's Gear. Now, this is a black-owned, Christian-inspired lifestyle brand that comes from Maryland. Alright? It's out in the Maryland area. If you like this, you can find this at their site. It is www.goliathsgear.com. I'll try to remember to put that in the description below. Now, to get into what we are here for today, this pickup, a little backstory first. This shoe, I believe, was originally supposed to release 2 months ago during the All-Star festivities in Charlotte, North Carolina, my birth state, the state of which I was created, home of my favorite NBA team, the Charlotte Hornets, all right? But for whatever reason, this shoe actually didn't release back then, and instead just released a few weeks ago, and I got it in-house now. Had to have it. As soon as I saw it, I said, gots to grab that one. It wasn't one that, I was, back then I said, you know what, when all the All-Star game shoes were releasing, this wasn't one that I really had my eyes on. But now, perfect timing, and I was able to get them for a very good price. As you can see, Nike box, that Nike tape, that, hey, this is a Nike package. Come take this from my door. They need to change that. But let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, Nike box. Let's put that to the side for just a minute. And then on the inside here, we have the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. All right, let's put that receipt up there. Let's grab the shoe. As you can see again, Nike box. Nike box. I had to go ahead, like my big homie G4 Vision says, I had to put eyes on these. Had to put eyes on these as soon as they came in. I couldn't wait. So these are the Nike Air Max 98. The colorway on these is Court Purple and Terra Blush. Size 14, of course. The retail on these was $160. I was able to get these for $128. I was able to get these for $128, man. Pretty good discount off for these. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. These are exciting. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are the Air Max 98 and that Charlotte Hornets colorway, baby. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. You guys know, as a Hornets fan, these I couldn't pass it up, man. I couldn't pass these up, man. Somebody said to me, they said, Rob, we need more of that Hornets colorways. So we need more shoes in that colorway. Somebody said that in my comments not too long ago. And my man, if you're watching, here it is. Here it is, man. I told you one was on the way. And here it is. So let's go ahead and get it. Oh, man. Oh, let's go ahead and get into these, man. Had to have these. All right. So I mentioned that when I had these, that I was glad that they fit and they were the right size because I had another one coming, and this is that one. So as you can see, you got that teal and that purple. Definitely the Charlotte Hornets jersey. I got a Muggsy Bogues jersey that is in the other room right now. And man, outfit is already prepared for me. It's already there. Throw on the Muggsy, throw on these, and I'm in there. So as you can see, you got that purple going around the midsole. That is a nubuck purple that is going around here. It's nubuck material, excuse me, going around there. The teal colorway is more of the leather material that's there, and as is the white that's here on the lace area on the top there, and this spot here is all that's leather. That's that leather. But you can see that brownish kind of color, that tannish brown kind of color going around all the way around the lining of the shoe. And also on the lining of the Air Max logo there, but also right here. Now see, this is like a basketball. This is that basketball kind of material, which makes sense because, you know, the Hornets representing the Hornets, and the All-Star game was there in Charlotte. So I don't know if that was what they were intending, to put a ball here to represent the city of Charlotte in the All-Star game, because there's actually nothing on here regarding the All-Star game. But these were announced around that time. So I don't know, maybe they just wanted to give Charlotte a shoe, you know? Maybe they just wanted to give the home state a shoe. But this is kind of that mesh material up top. The white area is all mesh. And then you got your more, that's like a light bluish kind of color. Almost. This might be more turquoise, this more teal, with that purple going around the side there on the laces, the lace holes and stuff there. Very dope. On the lace tips is that silver on the lace tips there. And then you got that air on the back of the shoe. On the inside, you got that Nike Air with that white backdrop. Then clear air bubble midsole there. There's purple on the inside of that, if you all can see that. And then on the bottom, boom, we got that teal with that purple. Very nice touch. I don't know if I mentioned white Nike check with that brown kind of basketball color lacing going, or stitching going around. Boom. Very dope, man. On the back, your pull tab is that teal with that tannish streak going around it. Nothing extra special there. Man, I said, man, that's the Hornets right there. That's for them Hornets. They didn't do so hot this year, man. I feel like we either need to go ahead and break it up and just, you know what I'm saying, start rebuilding, or just get better. The Hornets are just the middle of the road. They're either always just barely making the playoffs or just barely missing the playoffs. But something's got to change, man, or Kemba's out of there. I hope Kemba comes back and, you know, we make some changes, man. But that's neither here nor there. I'm getting excited about my team again. Let's go ahead and check out the right boy. Even though I'm sure it's the same, let's go ahead and check out the right boy. Right. Shoe second. All right, exactly the same shoe on the right boy. Right boy! Exactly the same shoe on the right boy there, man. Same, everything's the same. Nothing is different between the two shoes. Everything is exactly the same on the right as it is the left. So we'll get the right boy out of here. But you know what we got to do with these, man. You know what we got to do with these, baby. Let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. All right, so here we are. This is what I have on today. Just these Prestos. Can't go wrong with the Prestos for comfort. You know, can't go wrong with those. So let's go ahead and get these Air Max on. Boom. Right on feet. Perfect fit. Perfect. Comfortable. Absolutely perfect fit. Lace that one up. Boom. Let's get into the right boy. Right boy! Get into the right boy. Boom. On feet. Alright. I'm just gonna tuck the right. I ain't gonna lace him up. Just tuck the right boy in a little bit. Alright. So here we are on feet. Again, for reference, my big toe right here. Right behind where that basketball part is on the front. Big toe is right there. So perfect fit for me. Not too much creasing when I bend. So I like it. Perfect fit, man. Perfect fit for me. Yes, sir. Coming at ya. Coming at ya. Boom. Very dope. Very dope shoe, man. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Definitely a dope shoe. Do not sleep on these. These are still available right now on Nike.com, which is where I got them from. So if you see these out there, make sure you go and cop you a pair, man. Very dope shoe for sure, man. Definitely fly. You can throw these on and be looking clean when you step on the scene this summertime. But that's going to do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. More content is on the way. I got one shoe right here that I was supposed to review before this one. This one over here got here before this one. But got one that's coming up. That's a LeBron. So we'll get into those LeBrons that are over here and next. But also, we're going to get into these in a different video. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Alright? So we will get into these Galaxy Buds in a future video. But that's going to do it, man. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.